Hi, my name is Nima, and our work is on temporal performance modeling of serverless computing platforms. I'm a PhD student at the University of Alberta, and this work has been done in PAC's lab at York University. The other author of this paper is Dr. Hamzeh Khazaei, who is a professor at York University. So serverless computing is a new paradigm in the cloud computing, and in serverless computing, you upload your code, you set up triggers, and your code will run whenever those triggers happen. So for that, we developed an accurate and tractable performance model that has been developed by looking at the management layer of the serverless computing platforms and how their life cycle is being managed. And in summary, we applied some request pattern to in our experimental validation. We predicted several key characteristics of the quality of service, like the cold start probability 5 minutes into the future. And you can read more details about our work in our paper. Thank you.